Tesla cars have revolutionized the automobile industry, setting new standards for performance, sustainability, and technology. Founded by Elon Musk and a team of visionary engineers, Tesla's mission has always been to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. The company's all-electric vehicles have captured global attention, not only because of their environmental benefits, but also due to their innovative features, luxurious design, and superior driving experience. At the core of every Tesla vehicle lies its advanced electric powertrain. Unlike traditional gasoline-powered cars, Teslas are powered by rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, which provide instant torque and impressive acceleration. For example, the Tesla Model S Plaid can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, rivaling some of the fastest sports cars on the market. This seamless acceleration, combined with whisper-quiet operation, creates a driving experience that feels both futuristic and exhilarating. One of the major concerns for potential electric vehicle owners is range, or how far a car can travel on a single charge. Tesla has addressed this challenge with some of the industry's most efficient batteries and aerodynamic designs. Depending on the model and configuration, a Tesla vehicle can travel between 250 and over 400 miles on a single charge. The company has also developed the Supercharger network, a global infrastructure of fast-charging stations that allow Tesla drivers to recharge quickly, making long-distance travel practical and convenient. Inside, Tesla vehicles are a showcase of modern design and technology. The interior is minimalist, often dominated by a large touchscreen interface that replaces traditional buttons and controls. This screen controls everything from navigation and climate to entertainment and vehicle settings. Over-the-air software updates allow Tesla to continuously improve its vehicles, adding new features and enhancing performance without a trip to the dealership. Perhaps one of Tesla's most talked-about innovations is its advanced driver assistance system, known as autopilot. Using a suite of cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and powerful onboard computers, autopilot enables the car to steer, accelerate, and brake automatically within its lane. While full self-driving capability is still being refined, these features already make driving safer and less stressful, especially on highways and in stop-and-go traffic. Safety is another area where Tesla excels. The company's vehicles consistently receive top safety ratings from regulatory agencies around the world. With a low center of gravity due to the battery placement, robust structural design, and advanced safety features, Tesla cars offer exceptional protection to occupants in the event of a collision. Tesla's commitment to sustainability extends beyond just electric motors. The company uses environmentally conscious materials and is working towards making its manufacturing processes as green as possible. Solar panels, energy storage solutions, and other renewable technologies are all part of Tesla's broader vision for a sustainable future. In addition to personal vehicles, Tesla has also made strides with products like the Cybertruck, the Roadster, and the semi-truck, each pushing the boundaries of what electric vehicles can achieve. These innovations showcase Tesla's relentless drive to rethink transportation from the ground up. In summary, Tesla cars represent a bold step forward in automotive technology. They combine thrilling performance, cutting-edge technology, and a genuine commitment to sustainability. As more people around the world make the switch to electric vehicles, Tesla continues to lead the charge, proving that driving can be both exciting and responsible. Whether it's the silent power of their acceleration, the intelligence of their software, or the vision of a cleaner planet, Tesla stands at the forefront of a rapidly changing industry, inspiring others to follow in its tire tracks.